God, I'm feeling so bored at my home. I think. I have an idea. Let's eat pizza. Abracadabra, gilly gilchu. All the pizza ingredients come on the table. Go. Now we'll make chocolate pizza. Now we need is pizza base, pizza sauce, onion, corns, green chili, cottage cheese, and tomato, and cheese. Apply pizza base. Put onions. Put corns. Add some capsicum. Add some tomatoes. Put some cottage cheese. Add lots of cheese to it. Now put some oregano. Our pizza is ready. Now only we have to do is zap it in the microwave for 15 minutes. Ta-da! Hot pizza is ready. Kids, be careful. Don't leave a knife. Only give it to your mama and she will cut it for you.